Yeah, man. The first time I watch that channel there, subscribe, you know. You understand? You see the name of the show already, you know, so you know where you go. Right? So, Jamaica, you know, is a rum place. You know what I mean? So, rum do some people bad. Some people can manage it. But this is one of them story there. When somebody can manage it. And the rum too strong. Let's go. Subscribe, you know. Like and share. You know what I mean? Tell a friend. Jai is near. Let's go.
Can we get back to Jamaica with the real Jamaica rock? Jamming and jamming and jamming. Bring back the Jamaica love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much people swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Either you be a Christian, either you be a thug, either you be a man that are rocking in the club. Just do what you do and do right. Do what you do and do right. And I tell you from the first night, bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth just so swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. You ever see the girl them on the TikTok? Girl them click clap. Beautiful ladies, one beautiful money to beautiful babies. The pressure's too high for us. It's too hard for us. We don't know who to trust. But please just bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Bring back the Jamaica that we love. Too much youth swimming in blood. Too much youth swimming in blood. Fast car, big bike, big house, acres of land. Our name is way up while you does it in the sand. Lord, I don't understand why so much separation. Bring back the Jamaica that we love.
Yeah. Me have a sample. Me have a sample for you and the youth them, you know. Alright. Yeah, tell them say me only can get 2 of the big jug them though. And that have last them for the month. No matter what them love it, you have to caution with it. Alright? I know so not supply one whole parish, but still do the right thing.
Watch out, what going?
Are open every day, so you ask me. Why you ask me?
Alright, so look more and I go want 2 buckler room for trust cars. And I'm not like I get pay as yet, so when I get pay, I give you a few piece of food. But I go want 2 buckler room. Yes.
Alright then when I come. What time you come?
I don't know. But after 2 then time, I see me can get one sweater on yourself for trust car. Right now I'm broke.
Alright.
So, you hear about the new rum that come out?
me did hear about the other day, you know, they said around there lick over people hard.
Yeah man,
I'm
more
here
more
now,
get
say.
one of that for one of my friend. My friend a keep on party.
Oh, and if you know, me know one girl, you know. Let me call her, hold on there.
I do that then now.
I gone Pinks. Girl, hush man, me name remember fi tell him. And then I call if nobody quarrel me now. Cause me don't know how your mouth fire is so. You remember that day when they tell me say one person drink in new rum and shit up themselves in a party? Yeah, mother want to get a link for new rum. Alright then, just text me number and just text me number man. Me get to it myself. Yeah, alright. Alright, thanks. Now where yourself man, I can check it tomorrow. Cause me know you love cusso. You must be owl. Alright, good girl. Big up.
How she took themselves in a party?
Other day she called me and told me she got one party and then you run come out, the person a drink like a water. And then I there on the spot and she took himself. Right there.
But mosquito have in the door.
When the rain fall so then come down. Anyway, she said she go send me a number, so me go give her a number. And when me give her a number, me text her a number, you can make your friend get here, whatever, you understand? But me said that woman is terrible, me not even look pan, try to look pan.
Don't try.
Me know your rum head, no look panic, cause if it make people go along so. I should up and say, don't
No man, more try, me have to try.
you.
Me not drink no, but me a try.
They say strong, how that they say. So just be careful, if you want to try, you go try, but be careful.
Go try.
Me not go near you.
She say I go to party.
Yeah, me I got pick on that girl. And me I go do my hair and my nails and me out to the party there. That the girl come on my party last year and so me I go back off here.
Number help her come in, come on go over now.
I'm not 6 feet now. Oh, so she's sending number, yeah. I'm sending it there.
No, send me it. Alright, thanks.
Come on.
That's all. Me a cut, I don't know.
Come on. Willing.
I'm so tired. Are you me know can't take so?
Never lucky.
General. What you do? You forward, walk one.
Go check your board.
Yeah man. Sorry, so give me a answer now. The work I alone can't go manage it. More you move out, everything out of that place. Well, the building block them, pack them over to that side over the south. Take out everything from out at night. You know what I mean? We go level off it. So do the flooring. Sister Joyce, the foreign wanting work done. Me are the mason, but we want their workers. You understand? They call laborer. So you get somebody where you can pay your money. How much money you want for the day?
8 grand.
Huh?
8 grand.
8 grand?
Yeah.
So you are the next person. I move some things, you move around, you know.
Oh. It's my clarity wall of this one.
Yeah. And level it down.
Camera 16,000.
So what?
If you move all this stuff, then
So you know you go do it?
Yes.
I listen to me keenly now. I go give you $10,000 and you share it amongst your brethren or whoever you put on the work. It's not my business apart then. Right? So you done to where you go do already? Take it or leave it. You want the work, sir? I'm to go call somebody else. Talk to me.
Me take your work, sir. Me take your work.
Can't. Cause I will go down the road and get 2 stack and make them come do it for $500. But me don't want to stack here them thief of the things them. Right? So alright then, so go and then come back on deal as soon as possible because someone done today, so I pay 10. You see, if you go till tomorrow, the money are cut down to 6, 8. You know what I mean? But you want it done today. You can't do it today? Alright. So get where you get and start with it. Alright?
Yeah. Put that this. No. Put it alongside that. Put it side there. Let me tie it. No, you better you pack it so. You when you pack it so, they now fall off. When you pack them straight up on one end of that, they will fall off. Picnic can come so, and they drop down on them.
What off? Wait. I come out with a plan one now. How much money I got?
Money good man.
So much money I got. That one.
I don't know, boss give me 5 grand for the work. So I go split in a 2 half between me and you. Me I give 2,500 and take 2,500.
That can work.
You want drinks?
I know some man. You have drinks.
Alright.
You can drink for that?
I go to my shop go get some.
Oh, hurry
So
up.
forward.
Hurry up. You go
What
on.
flavor drinks are?
Any kind of flavor come.
Alright.
Go on.
How we are go?
You know what say? I work me I go.
But so
Me there man. But I something I want to ask you still. Me glad me see you.
what that?
You don't want to nobody. You don't know nobody will have a new type around them.
Cartel rum.
No man, no that rum there. I want name. Rum name again. Something like Bunny Down, something like that. Yeah.
The rum there.
So you catch your head so.
You know say me know somebody we can make a link for me. But don't worry yourself. Me go check the somebody there and make you know what go on here.
I want to buy my own. That's why I want to try out that. I want to get it to see if the people them like it, some can start to buy it.
Alright then, me make a link for you man. Me know somebody we can get the room from him. Me call you. Later.
You call me now.
Me call you.
Alright.
Alright, done man.
Yeah, we're done.
Alright. At least me go down a shop there and I get no drinks. So more go down a nigga town.
Come on, you left me and say I'm buy drinks.
A farm me going.
Come on, use me and what? Me and reach back and so.
Me go a shop, no drinks no day. So me go down a nigga town and me and police catch up down the road there. Me and him in one piece of argument. So I take so long. But you know, me I come back say that you know left my work for me, you know left none. Anyways, forward me go and deal with the thing. My youth, me go a shop, no jeans, no this, so me go down to town.
And police catch up in an argument.
You are tell me say you go down in your town so and take so long because you're police now. Where you police in argument for? Where are the police they argue about?
The reason why me and the police in an argument, because me and my girl in a fight. When my girl go report me, you see me? So, like the police want to kill me if you get my woman.
And kill her. Where lick them in lick here? I don't see no bruise by you, no? In jail gun by you? In tongue to the gun? You're wicked, you don't say you're wicked? But police want to kill her. Police don't want to kill her, you just that a lie you tell. You have no bad name and no argument. Police you want your woman, you take your woman and gone. Police busy boy you. Look at police busy boy man. Alright, sure. I that's a tip for that.
Me never tell us the police beat me, no. Me never tell us the police lick me or nothing. Never tell us the police lick me. So anyway, come link me back a little more. But in 5 o'clock, boss, I come page me, you see it? So check back later. Me give you a piece of money. You forget.
We are talking about come back. You think that this more know how my money I go? Cause remember what you tell me, you know? You say 5 grand, you know, right? You say half and half, 50-50. You understand? I mean, the most I work, so you can't go 50-50. It's either it go 60-30 or something, but you know, go 50-50. In the part, me do most I work here, run about 2 blocks, you can't go out there, so a 15 minutes you forget.
You never know, sir, you call me. And me call you my youth. I 2 grand, me now give you.
That. You see, as long as you see your unfair, you see, as long as you don't want to do it, you don't want to give me more money, 50-50, and a 50-50 agree you come to about 2, and we get 2 grand. Boy, see, I idiot take me for you now. First I go to tell boy, yeah, police now, you know, come and want to give me half of money. And this man here, you're brawling and boy say 2-5, you come and start counting ball. Man, better make me money reach me. You hear me I tell you? Alright.
Most I work. Like when me now give you 2 grand, me I give you 2-5. You see me? So when Bossy come link me come pay you with 4 piece at 2-5. You see it?
See? Make sure you know this man can't make money come give me now. And I have to walk it down with me half a cut off my shit. Slap you out of it. Cause like yeah, come and tell her you want to slap it through. I get slap it through, man.
Who that?
Alia.
Oh, me a come there. Hold on.
She don't even know.
You don't know.
I said, girl, I go on party last night and I drink some rum. I know cartel new rum there. When name again?
Fever.
Ramping
shop. Something there.
Wig. When me have palm head last night, me can't find.
Yeah.
Mash me up, wicked man. Wicked mash me up. Me couldn't even wait to. Me I tell you.
That's why next night I come over here. Boy, me I tell you, me drink, you know. But a 1 drink. Me not take more than 1 drink. And when me go on 1 drink, cause they have some rum I go around there when me not too sure. So I depend on them depend. 1 drink and that's it. Or me drink Magnum or rum cream. Rum cream we do me feel like not more.
Right now, me still feel sick. Lucky me have the strength to walk come over here. Still feel sick right now. I have to go drink some warm tea or something to get this aroma out of me.
If you still feel away, you just push your 2 fingers them down your throat or listen, you know. Or you keep on drink water. Just drink water, straight water. You will feel better, man. Cause when time me the drunk other day 1 time, you know. I have to push my 2 fingers down my throat and a beer water me carry up pale liquid. And so when I done carry up it, I feel much better. So just do the same thing.
Alright, me do what you say. But why you depend differently though?
Girl, I'm not the pan. I'm just there to sit down. I did lie down this and watch TV before you come. So I said, just go drink your water and push your finger down the throat and I'll go over. And you will feel better, man.
Alright then. Me I can't go over now, so me link your man.
Yeah, man, so you know nothing more about Charlie, you know what this how it feel, man.
No, sir. Me
I feel
but
better.
if me you know say me I run can't tell you, know.
Then I must run come and tell me.
Alright, later.
Alright.
Oi, man. What kind of rum that I give me for drink, here, boy?
What do you mean what kind of rum that me give you for drink? One day rum.
You see that rum that you give me, boy?
Eh.
He cut me, brother. I run in belly so till I want to sit and go do me.
Yo, I see you mash me up out there, you know?
Brother, you know mash up here. You look regular, you look normal, everything look alright to you.
You mash me up out there, man, lick me down the ground.
No lick you down on the ground, man. I want to know what kind of rum. You need to talk up, brother. Can you look, brother? Just talk up, man. What rum name? JB, Beehive, Unstoppable, Jerry and nephew. Where rum name?
Oh, no, man, I want a bunny down rum, them, man.
Make up your mind, man. Make up your mind.
I want a bunny down rum.
Make up your mind. You say street boys no you have to tell me bunny down rum. Me know about street boys. Me no know no name no bunny down rum.
No, man, I know rum. I know rum.
No rum where?
I know rum, man. You can't check it out. I know rum, man. Bunny down rum.
So you have to test in your rum for me?
I know, me drink it too. I know test me.
You see your boy?
Drink it too.
Rum.
Yeah.
What kind of idiot name that is? Where you buy that rum there?
You know, some I'm virgin car can't give me though.
I don't believe him. No rum no name no bunny down rum. Me a rum man and I never see a rum on no shelf. No way when me go name no bunny down rum.
I say rum name and I print the label print.
What a boy, you know say you're a fool or you're half idiot, boy.
What mean me a fool?
You can't read, boy.
I'm no fool, I'm no idiot.
You can't read?
Of course me can't read.
Spell bunny down.
No, B-U-N.
See there? B-O-N. You can't read, youth. B-O-N.
Then no bunny down. It still can't go so.
No. Brother, so where's part and sell the rum there?
Well, me no know, you know. Yo, so where's a 2 beer I go buy?
2 beer?
Yeah.
Now you shop and say I can show me where you buy something, boy.
I'm a virgin, me get the rum from, man.
You know what I can't trust you, boy.
How am I do?
Hey, boy, you know what I can't trust you.
I'm a virgin, give me rum, man.
Where's the call again, boy?
You know what I say? I'm a virgin, give me rum.
Boy. You say I can't... Hey, boy.
Oi. Nobody with it. Wait. No.
Hey, boy.
Jesus.
Hey, boy, I'm a broke this in your face, boy.
No, give me. No.
Hey, hold me now.
Me
You better hold me now.
Hey, boy, where are you? Give me back.
Hey, boy.
Alright, see, boy, I'm fling his stone, no?
Give me. Stop. Go on in here, you idiot.
Yeah, go on and say me force if you drink your rum.
Hey,
Drink your rum.
that boy that junk had in, man.
Oi, go on in here, you old cunt.
Boy, I'm not talking with you now. Hey, you see if a lady and you come as a boy.
Alright, go on.
Hold me, miss. Just hold me, man.
Just give me a stone.
Hold the stone to call me now want to use it on him, you know.
Give me.
You saw the lady take a stone from me. Lucky, now, boy.
Give me back. Go on in your yard.
Come know you're a coward, you know.
You can't manage rum and you're going to take up rum. You don't too torment. You don't got to see a woman.
Who a coward?
Yeah, boy, I see, man.
You're full of too much chatter. What do you?
Go on.
Alright, done.
Auntie, we say...
Go on, come in know you a long time here. I feel you 8 picking them to go take care of you never.
I say the boy give me one rum and come tell me about bunny down rum and I know son of rum down here, sir.
Oh God.
Me drink it, say hold on down, sir. Like it's a tear out.
See it have running belly?
Running belly, everything.
Oh my, so you don't know what your woman to say. Go on in your yard, me sorry for you.
Me say every second man got a toilet.
Yeah, go on.
You see that boy there?
Sorry for no. You don't fit top friend drink rum.
It's alright, man. Everything good, man.
Are you? Sorry for you. Bob.
Huh?
So you work? You dey work and tell me say I work and they take away from me money.
And that, you know, and my brother send me for go do this film till he get back on his feet because he's sick. So I just do this film till he get back on his foot.
Hold on there. Which brother you attack? Which one of them?
No for me, short brother the man, short one. I'm do this.
Hello. If I lie they tell, me I go find out because I could never short man when me know. Say you and my friend you they talk about. Short man when me pass last night, one bus big fight out a road, him and one next brethren when have original that. I use him, I use you. Him I use you. And because I know say I want rum it just like him, he take a ton idiot.
No man, I know short man, you know see short man last night because short man they are female upon in sick bed. Short man call me this morning a be a car.
Ali button. Work for nothing and then come thief me money when me put it on and go buy rum. Watch me. Oh, I know you me did come to you, me not even know say there are people here but you they have speed and they take up cement and kind of mix up like you're some big trade man. Okay, big up yourself. I hope you find your dinner and anytime you're hungry you go find sharp man where they pick up for. If you want to know where them a fight over, let me tell you, rum them a fight over. Can you imagine? Two big old man a fight over rum. You don't have nothing else good for fight over or talk about. You no idiot. Watch your two boy work for nothing, Holly button.
Alright, me auntie, I love you same way. I have no money, I have to check if you look food and look money same way. We still have family, you know. But later me I come for some of my food we have down there.
Oh, you with me that's all right?
Yeah, but who give me number still?
I want my friend them give me a number man. They say you have the good rum, the good type of rum. I want to make a good deal, so that's why I'm calling you.
Alright. You sound like you're genuine now. I'm seeing it in your face like you're one good girl.
Yeah, man.
So here what, check me tomorrow morning. 6 o'clock on the dot. Right, we see one pile of building block up there, so. Yeah,
man.
just come up on now, yeah man. You all see me right, did they? And you come pick it up. You have money?
Yeah man, me have money man.
Call me and tell me what money you have, I'm talk to you. Alright?
Alright. Me link you.
Alright.
Hello?
What one?
You know somebody think me have a piece of food though.
What
but
one?
me just check my bag of and it look like my boyfriend TV.
No there too much thief in man, but still link me a morning still. We work out something.
Alright then.
Make sure up on time, you know.
Alright, we'll link you.
But me talk to you from last night, you know, me tell you say 6 o'clock and now 5 minutes after 6. Listen, it's like how I up on time. Because you don't tell me from last night so you don't have no money. So, you see when you come to my money, make sure you're up on time. You know why you did it late like how you come late. Alright. I'm going to tell you again. Say the rum, yeah. I want secret recipe, the man they make it. Water. Slavery days. Slavery days. It's illegal.
So illegal you want me to say?
No, but you want now. To get it down to drinking purpose. You have to go take it back now with you now. And you have to throw in a one big jug. When I 5-gallon jug them. And then you buckle back out 10 buckle at the same rum. Make it go to normal. It's 10 times stronger than any other rum. So now once somebody enough to drink, it must dilute first to go down to normal. Alright? So not too much chatting. See ya. Full. See it? Full. So up to you, mama say. You know if you drink that way, yeah. Alright, so do the right thing. You may say? Do the right thing. So now late to my money. I give you 1 week, same time like now. You know, man, early. You can drop off my money right there, so and collect one more bottle. Can you go done before that? People go love it, because it's nice. But
alright.
Remember for dilute. Alright? I wasn't here.
Alright.
Who is it?
Amanda.
May I come?
I couldn't tell when I see you. You just look up in my house, so.
Girl, I have a whole heap of things I think about right now. I can't bother with outside.
I could have where you think most. So.
A lot of things. No,
Your man I give you a bun.
Go on a little further. I'm not no man. Go down a little further and see I'm free, single and disengaged. Don't rank with me. Want my long time, I don't see what kind of breeze blow here. So why you not feel back so heavy? What happened? You alright?
Yeah man, me alright so far.
Oh, where you did there?
They say, I go catch a little man.
I lie.
That's true.
How what this? I look and catch man a bat. Girl.
You, can you owl?
And the other day, I did. It no matter. I am proud of me. That's okay. The other day, I did go down the road. And guess who I see?
You know me not good at AC.
Your ex.
Eh?
Your ex.
Me did her ex?
In a bar. What you mean? Say your name still there?
How which one you attack?
Same thing. You know I go down the road there.
Me have more than one ex. You have to be specific. Which one?
If your man then drink too much rum, that me not like. Too much rum bar and smoking all kind of sickness. Same thing with my nephew. Me and him can't agree. Every money when me put down in the place, he missing. Rum. If I food in there, take it by wouldn't so bad. Rum and smoking. Me can't bother with him, you know, man.
So you never drink or smoke?
What you mean? So you don't know that for a long time?
You know see how long me not come to this place? Not cheap. Me can't use a bathroom. Where your bathroom there again?
Sit there.
Oh, me go take a leak and come back.
What a girl Frunzy. It's a girl come like you know, babe. That's why I'm glad when they don't come after me yard, you know. Because every time she come here, she take off her dirty clothes, them and left and borrow for me clothes, them and hope. Hey, me wonder what kind of breeze blow here so because problem did they, you know, trouble did they come in and me close them today. And now me close them today. I think she want make she come up here. Hope I know me close them, she come for borrow. You want to tell me say you want shit for a long time out the road and after me you left come for come shit. So you really not care nothing important come tell me. And you know me love you mix up them. Lord God. wonder what she could have want make she come on me yard. I know she not tell me nothing constructive. Nothing constructive, nothing positive.
Oh Lord.
Foolishness.
Why I feel a house full of grill door?
You flush it early?
And that this time I don't like with you now, you know. What you mean if
I hope you're not done with this, you.
you know
Water
anyways.
rate expensive, so please me beg you. Me know for your style for a long time and I hope you flush the toilet one time and make sure you say flush good. Okay. No,
Anyways,
no,
because
say nothing water.
I kind of the hurry cause I can't bother with you sometime.
Yeah, man, blast after all. You want to tell me, say, I have to go disinfectant out there. And if my Fabulosh was done, whole place stink of shit. You want to tell me, say, no toilet, no restroom, no upon the way where she walk, a female yard, she come, look how long I not see her.
Your face look familiar.
How are you doing as a bartender? What?
Me know your face look familiar, man. You know who me? Are you me
How
at
much money
talk
you
to?
want? How much money you want?
$2,500 you owe me, sir.
So much money?
Liquor dear.
Anyway, when I get paid yet, so me get paid, when we get me, I carry
When
money
you
for
get
me.
here, cause me kinda in a hurry, you know. Me want to go look a bike to go, me I go.
Friday. Me get paid Friday.
Make sure so when me come check it Friday, you have me money for give me.
Yeah. So wait there. Keisha still at work, you know?
Yeah, she still at work with me.
Okay. Tell Keisha say, Junkie say, back on link him Friday when me get paid. Tell her that. Just tell her that.
You really feel I'm junkie for you.
So this a girl I couldn't find nowhere else for shit. She have to come on my yard go and shit and it look like she don't flush the toilet good. The whole place stink. You know what? Let me clean up the place. When me done me go start out back in bathroom. Where the broom there? Where the broom there? Want the broom? That me not like with Bobby no. No, when me put down me can't find. Where is a girl that left here bag so? Hey, Bunny Dong Rum. How make this around me? How name so? Eh. So she no realize say she left her bag of me yard. How make this around me? I have to go give her a call. Answer your phone now. I have to tell you to go click. Oh, I know you may talk to man. And somebody. You left your bag up here. How you forgot your bag? What you mean? Girl, you think up the whole place. When I want to talk too hard for the neighbor them here. The whole place think of shit. You didn't flush the toilet? What? You flush it 5 times? No, me water rate I go up sake of you. I don't know what me teach you. No man, that they want clean out. You left this a cent in and not even dead rat. Me have to go clean out it. Yes. Anyway, me go come up on the road you know, because me have something important to do. So when me come at me clean out the bathroom, your bag the here. So you can come feet. You see me never up your man? Yeah. Alright. I will depend your mind make you will leave your bag. Later. Later me a chat, alright.
How about Nancy?
There man, you alright?
You good? So you depend?
Not a thing, I just take life easy and now I wonder when I go cook.
Boy, over me over here and piece of hungry lick me so I come check you. And I know I wanna go. Remember you always have them 500 and 400 a little and I don't lay down on the place.
Now where you go doing money now?
Buy bowl or something at shop. Biscuit something.
Alright, hold on there.
I'm small something like
some money.
What is that? Auntie a juice over here not tell me. Auntie a rum over here. You remember so my changy man? He nice but he chang. You know what? I'm good with it.
See it here. Bob, where you going? Now what happened? You ask me for your money, me go feed. You're going to buy your business.
Just This one chaser man. How make this? What's the buy chaser? So the chaser for this asset. So yeah. Me one sit down and call my budget too. I think want some liquor. Where you gonna live here?
Boy, you want one buckle of rum? Be careful, you know. Boy, you want one buckle of rum?
I be able to rum this man. This can't do me nothing. Yeah, eat that. You know, boy.
Be careful, you know.
Carl. Oh God. Yo, Shaman. Are we there? Me dey run a lane and drink one rum. Me name Bunny Down rum. Yeah. Boy, it chang. Me have one big back. Hurry up, come get look at bottom before you done. You know, say drop off of the rum tree and me don't know who the wanna be. Me don't know who for. Yeah, I want chang up. Me don't know why first me I see me.
What are you? Come. Remember to close the door. Lock the door there for me.
You know, me not even didn't realize that me left the bag. So here, which part is it? We come by now.
Okay. See it over here, so. Yeah. I don't understand where you're going in another bag here. No man. No one bag like this so they carry the rum in. So charger and slippers, I don't understand where you rum there. Lord Jesus. Wait, I don't know. I'm sure I see rum left on there, so. And that's why I call you if you come back for the rum.
Feel nice, man.
Ready? Ready? All right.
How are you at? I go and do that so. What's up? Ooh, how are you? I don't want you in now. Get up. Oh, yo, get up. You see me warn you about the rum now, weak rum, man. Get up. Jesus Christ. Get up now. Jack, get up. Get up. Ah, Jesus.
Shaka come.
Shaka come. Don't send me for call Candy. Get up, me not tell about your rum. I'm gonna call Candy.
I rum me come for.
Ah, Jesus. I not even know if you tell us because I write this for the rum.
Candy!
Eh? I write this for the rum big dead.
Candy!
If you come feet. Sure. Sound like one of my friends.
Candy, come.
I want him.
You have to come for Baba run let stiff dead junk and swim on the ground. Come on, you have to come for him.
Alright, my son come here.
Stiff dead junk, you want to see him look. See him don't have to come now. Oh, you no Candy, Jesus. Candy, walk up. See him there. See him. Yeah, me say push me off. Must swim. Yeah, push me off, say must swim. I'll shark in say see come.
Oi. Bob. 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 Where you lie down here for though? How am to you? Swim? Me see you a swim. Power. Dryland. Eh? Oi. Get up, get up, get up, get up. Get up, man. Get up.
Yeah, let's talk about shark.
Sit down, that's how mine a drop. Sit down. Sit down. What kind of shark? Which shark? You ain't see? Eh? Look how much time me talk to you and tell us if you stop drink rum. You stink of rum. Watch ya. Oi, if you're not tap you out here, I'll give you some backside will lick you see. Big old boy like you. Rum head your turn. Eh? The rum where you drink.
Me see money now.
How make it? Eh? Who make that the rum there? I will make rum can look how you sweat. Who make it rum? What you mean who make it rum? The shark them where you see in the sea where you went just a swimming in a idiot. Hello. Who for soap you go use wash them your dirty clothes there?
Soap. Don't use no soap.
Where you go use wash it?
Wash what?
What you mean wash what?
Wash.
Look how you're big and worthless. Eh? Me tired to tell you, stop the smoking and stop the drinking. Eh? How you just see people rum and take it drinky? You don't even know who make it. Yes, hey. Father God. Oh, get up. Come go your yard, come. Get up, man. Get up. Turn up because your fear soon pop off your neck. Watch you.
Come on.
Look how you're big and dirty and what this is a boy you come on. Watch you. Hey. Turn up, man. Come go your yard, go bathe. You're too nasty. Look how you're dirty, boy. You lay down in a dirt a wall about. You there swim and you see shark. I might have take something lick in your head. Damn idiot.
Alright. Let's go. Action.
Bob. Oi, round here so you feel look. Me, they talk to you. Now come chat about a who that, because I never tell you if you drink rum and turn idiot. You know who for rum? Eh? You want to tell me say Amanda make mistake and leave her rum in my yard and I'll call the girl to come for her rum. No, the girl can't get her rum say because you take a drinky. And I this you do to yourself. Right now, me should even business with you. Me should have just left you right there so make dog come lick off your mouth. You're too worthless. So you have to set your eyes off her. You. Where is I rum there? You deaf?
Yes, sir.
I will I rum your drink off?
Yeah, man.
Where is it?
I lie, Candy. See, I don't listen there.
No, man,
Where's
no, man,
I
come
room there?
Pretty.
Look here, no bother with me now. Me box it on.
Pretty.
Hurry up and come for him, Candy. Now like him a look for me. Listen me, turn up one place.
Ready, action.
Then she that thiefy phone.
Come, hold him.
Turn around. Don't touch me, and dirty. Come, can pull me and pull you. Oi! You see you? You know one good somebody, you know. Look how you do yourself. Eh? Look how you do yourself. Me I keep back your room go give back your girl, you know. I don't mind chat me have to pay feet because you drink out it. Who can hear must feel. Stop the drinking, stop the smoking. You not hear me, you fast asleep. I might have tip on your big toe. Little idiot. Fool no one. You not even lock your door. Amanda!
May I come?
Girl, me think you're gone. And lock up the place. Lock up the place and make me can't come in. Lucky thing me know you a long time. Girl, you don't want to hear the disaster. You don't want to hear the disaster when me go see little while. My nephew almost drink off the rum. Where you look here? My nephew.
I don't know, now my rum that you know. That are like 10 times the amount of rum in the bottles. So but one person can't drink so much I hit. Let me see how much drink out.
Right now he's sick. He's sick out.
Maybe you have to go to the doctor.
That me have to go.
But him want drink coffee all of this?
Him alone sit down and drink coffee. I swim, me grow on the road but see him they swim. Pon the dirt. They act like in a river.
Like you said, no, you know, go see him jump off in a one pool of water.
Jesus Christ. Anyway. Just when you go to your shop, measure it and tell me how much money me figure. Me just have one.
Yeah, man, me will do
get
that.
this pan here. Alright.
Alright, cause me kinda depend here. So you come back and tell me say me left you, but me even turn back.
Alright.
Alright. Me see you.
Yeah.
Just remember if you can't go that time.
Bob, get up. I carry a doctor right now. Come. You can't stay like this. You see what you do? It's wrong. You see what taking things when it belongs to you do to you? And the next thing, me tired to warn you. Stop drink rum, stop smoke, and mash up yourself. Come here, a doctor. You see anytime you're sober and you walk, give me back my money, come here, go pay a doctor right now. Come out. Come, you can't go barefoot, you have to put on that slipper. Come, you soon feel better. The pill when give you will make you feel alright. So just lie down. Remember, the doctor say no alcohol, drink a lot of water and a lot of fluid, juice. Drink a lot of juice, a lot of water. Lie down. Make your medication when just you work in your body. You're soon alright. I have to go to me area now. So me come back and check up on you one next time. Me a come. Reach up and fast. You will see a close everybody act like they can't have a vision.
But what? I'm a work me then. You come. What you say go on now, cause
No, put this down this for me. I mean, when you sit down beside you now and next lady left this over here walk.
I kind of.
Somebody, one taxi man left you over here, say somebody if you come pick you up. Some lady, some taxi woman. Anyway, that kind of business I feel. I did ask up on the phone, say who make the rum.
How me supposed to know who make the rum? Huh?
I you left the rum over here. I don't know if you know who made the rum. So, to the way it damaged me, nerve, brain, memory, every part of your body. Right now he's sick. And worse, he get worse. I can't go to doctor. He coming like he don't make no sense. I can't go to doctor. I want to know who make the rum and where they use make the rum. Cause why this rum is so strong? I don't understand.
Father God, I want this. Oh, how you never saw touches? How you never saw touches?
Oh, my never saw touches. Amanda, I call if you talk to you because my never in a serious sickness right now. I come pint up in my face and I can't tell you about all my never saw touches.
Become without really life, you know what I mean?
I worry you come up and feel up.
No. I'm not come up to worry. I'm not even care worry much less.
Amanda, I'm serious right now. You don't even see it. You see me but you don't know me. This is my nephew. Life me I talk about. My nephew health. My nephew sick like a dog. The doctor said him cannot do anything more about it. He give him little medication and it not work. Little
so
medicine.
why they never draw the liquor out of his body? That's all alone he can recover. His body still has liquor in it. So he not going to recover.
I ask you one more time before me get on my wrong side. Who make the rum and where they use make the rum? Because why you constantly buying this rum? And you know say the rum too strong.
Me know say me look like somebody will drink.
And you tell me say the rum having 10 times whatever in it?
Yes, because I saw the person when we buy it from tell me.
Then if you know why you constantly buying this thing? And they sell people.
See, you gotta chat about buy rum. And my business you want to know about? Well, I mean, I'm gonna leak my business to you. But like we said before, I don't know who make your rum, what make your rum, or what. I mistake me make a left right to somebody me if you go reach down the road, you call me. But how could I really? Like they say, I don't know who make your rum, I don't know what in a heat. I just purchase it.
You don't know who make the rum? Where you tell me say you don't know who make the rum and you don't know what make the rum. And that you tell me?
But that me just say. So, wait, chop up now.
You know say you take this thing for joke?
Because me not take this thing for... Alright, can't go show me. What party in there? What in there?
Looking at my two eyes. What you seeing there?
Nothing more than a reflection. No, can't go show me anything.
Best believe, you see if my nephew don't get better before daylight out, I'm not even going to tell you when I go do. I don't talk it, because sometimes you talk things and you have sometimes you talk and you don't have man. I know say it go happen. Amanda, take this serious. Take it serious. I don't run no joke with me nephew life. I dey care about show you how he stay in the vomit, he weak, he sick out like dog. And you go tell me say you don't know who make the rum and what make the rum. So me I think in my head say you buy rum, you can tell me say me want to know your business. Come on now, I'm serious. I put on this and go walk with it, you know, police contaminate me, but look out. Come out of my place. Come. Straight over me neighbor me.
Then you mean if you tell me say I the rum and drink we can how long are you drink your rum? Not 2 days ago. 2 days ago?
Come up here, son. See if you can talk to him.
Bob.
Come.
No, this me don't mean for laughing about why am I being so? I can't rum. No, what your name? Oh, Candy. I can't rum when drink make my behave so. That the rum that should have wear a time long time. Don't touch me.
You see foolishness where you going right here, so? I know me not get it. And you take it for joke. I'm serious.
Yeah, what me I gonna do?
You see if you make my nephew mad out, take that dirty crosses rum there. When me no know what kind of rubbish you no put in it for make it. Me no know where you get it from. If I buy I get it for free. Anyhow you make my nephew mad out. You're not gonna like it, Amanda.
Hold on now.
Cause this no look like
mad out.
this no look like a no normal rum. You know see where I take place right here, so? You know mad, you know? I drink the rum and turn idiot, you know? Who make the rum? That is a question me ask you all long. Who make the rum?
I don't know. Me can't.
Oh, yo, come over here, son. Come, can you take this thing? Yo, shut up your mouth. You see, same thing. Yo, turn up here, son, man. Come in, no joking right now, you know me. No joking. Where you get the rum from? Who make the rum? Where you get it from? Why in the rum?
Like me said before.
Happy nice, man.
I don't know who make it.
So you
I don't know the ingredients that were in the rum.
You get something from somebody and you try to figure out or find out.
Me did tell you to get something from somebody.
Me say them.
Me can't.
Yeah. Me say them.
Me can't find your son right.
Oh, you know you're something in I want you. Me say they were. They were. We are chat about the rum where you drink and mess up yourself. You can't chat about me say they were.
Rum, please.
Yo, that is in a man. Look here, eh? I can't laugh it. Hey, girl. I want to know where you get the rum from and who make it 1 million times. You can't. What you mean? What you talk about? Come back. What you do?
Hey. Control him.
Control him.
There.
Huh?
Me say them.
Tap in the backside and shut up your mouth.
Hello, me can't say so.
All this are going to go
There.
down.
Like you say, I'm going to find out from the person I buy it from.
How much time?
I get back to you.
How much time if I repeat myself?
Right, so now me can't say it.
I not ask you so again, you know. And I think they ask you too much time and you know the answer and farm fool of yourself.
How if you know the answer, me just say me I go find out and get back to you. Now that me just say.
Lady, me say anything happen to me, what? Nephew, you not gonna like it.
What you say?
Come on, come in your place.
What you say? There.
We will meet again.
Me say
Because the girl
them.
you take it for you. Want you? Go and go lie down for your bed. Get up, man. And who you call? Hang up your phone. Be foolish. Where you call the police station? You idiot! Where you call the police them for? You want pizza from the police them? Go and go stay. Something wrong with you. Seriously, something wrong with your picture. God.
There.
You can't take this up.
Me say them.
If you meet your light post, I'm going to come to light post, I'm going to see you. Oh, alright.
There, man.
So when we can't hide back of the light post.
No man, not so there, but I just watch to see if I set you try to set me up. I do it on the hillside. You know what I mean? So, where's I going now?
Anyways, when I go over one of my friends them, I end up to get the bag with the rum.
No, tell me the same.
So I tell you, somebody drink the rum before me get to dilute it, and a big problem.
But me not.
Why you have to camp on the opening street like this?
Because you see, when you hide, people find you. But you see, when you're there out in the open, nobody realize. You know what I mean? Come here, sir. Alright, you don't explain to me already. You understand? How the youth are doing now? He's still in the same illusion.
It might get worse.
We shouldn't help him out. Because he was a thief. Remember say never give him the rum, you know. He just see the rum and he thief rum and drink the rum. So he get when he get it, he take when he get. Wrong, am I right?
I know like I tell you, I go and do man yard, you know. I forgot the bag there. And by the woman call me and say, no, so say I forgot the bag. By me reach back over there rum missing. All auntie she had threatened me and me know what in the bag I mix up. She had threatened me and said if you never gonna get better by when what she gonna do. And me not like the mix up thing. If you realize we stay up out a mix up. That's why I come to you.
Well, we are the business, you know. It's not a mix up here though. Really and truly. You know what I mean? It's unfortunate say him do the wrong thing. But nobody else will sell the rum. They are no complain.
Nobody else don't have that problem there. Because everybody me sell it to. Who not say he make their honey. All the man them I said there's something can dead. But the lady constantly ask me one question when me kinda confused. The lady ask me say, who make it rum? I have to tell her say, I don't know who make it. But when you want to ask you now who make it rum.
If I tell you who make you rum, I would have to kill you. You understand? That cause some top secret. So the ingredients and the metal when they use to make it I come straight from slavery days in the 19th and the 17th century. So you know say a slave make you rum. And then there again. You understand? So some rum will cure for much years in that one place. So slave make it rum. That's why it's so strong. It's not nowadays rum. It's from the original cane plant back in the days. Original molasses. If you get one little teaspoon of the molasses, your nerves calm. You feel like a float, you float. Alright? So don't worry about that. Nobody asks you who make you rum. Just know say you get the rum and you sell the rum. And the money come to me and you get where you get. Anyway, don't do long talking. You said the youth sick, right? You see this year, you give him this year for drink. Enough for drink off for whole light. And if you just drink some of it. If you don't drink some of it, in good.
Alright.
And do not tell nobody say you give them this. You just give it and make him drink it. Before you take it back from him. The back let me see about the evidence side because everything we do top secret. So you just give him that and go good. Alright?
Alright then.
You know there.
Hello, oi. Come, drink this. You make it get better, come.
You come back for me?
Hey, you not do that. I will box you over. No do that. Come, drink your medicine. Let me ensure you drink it. Drink it.
Oh.
Drink it. I have a question. I know why your people, where's she go? Are your auntie? Me why your auntie come get me? Good, because I'm on before.
Oh, auntie. Jesus Christ. Come back. Oh God, I feel amazing. Oh. This. Oh, that's a mouth. Oh, I must this me drink. Some mouth here, sir. Bitter. Yuck.
Bob,
Yeah?
you alright?
I'm good, man. Feel nice.
Fijo?
Yeah.
Get up off head, let me see something. You alright?
Yeah.
Go somewhere, me see 3 times. Jump. What your name? What your name?
Bob.
Bob your name?
Yeah.
So you know your name? Jesus, thank you, Father
Tell
God.
me get bitter.
You alright, man?
Ooh.
Yeah. Watch ya.
Ooh.
Wait. You sure say alright?
Yeah,
Tapping
man,
on you. You alright, Fijo?
Yeah, man, I'm good, man.
Jesus God.
Good, man. You know, I'm bad.
You look different, Fijo.
Ooh.
So we are ask so far, me confused.
The bike contract to that. I'm just happy.
I'm glad to see you alright.
Yeah, man, I'm glad
but
to see you
here
alright,
now,
man, but-
here now, you still like how you
I'm
alright?
run.
Eh?
You know, no, it's curving in, it's right now.
If me not have no rum?
No, curving in, more.
What you say, if me not have no more rum or if me not have no rum?
You not have no rum.
If me not have no rum?
Yeah.
Or no craving here no what?
Something.
Fi do what?
And drink.
Me ask.
But me can ask me auntie if you look around man, like a
Me?
because I got something.
Smoking and drinking, it's not for you.
Oh.
You need to cut it off. Hello. Me can't bother with you.
That's happy.
You happy?
Yeah.
If you go back and drink again and turn yourself in a damn jackass. If me did know my video, you make you see how you did a go on. You just a go on with yourself.
Somebody tell me say they see me down here a swim pan island.
Somebody tell you that?
Yeah. I know.
Look here.
I must be thin, brother.
Me no want remember about the past. Make it on.
Alright, it's a future.
Anyway you went there they swim, make your memory stay right which part you did they swim. You hear?
Right, yeah.
You don't want to remember that.
Okay.
So anyway, I'm glad to say alright and I just did go and check up on you. Okay. And I thank God you feel better. Do not take up rum drinking again, I know for you. You hear what me say?
Yes, auntie.
So I'm glad you glad till you dance so?
Yeah.
I walk you if you go look.
Be there. What?
Go look walk.
Somebody never did work.
Go and look at job.
Okay.
You need to
go and look at work tomorrow morning. Alright. Merry thanks. Realize you come over yourself. How much time you come over yourself?
We went go say Merry Christmas. Me I wonder if you better.
Happy New Year. Me better be true.
What make you go on so jiggy?
It's the dance of happy. It's the successful
Really?
Successful something.
Yes, let me tell you something. Yes, if you cannot make a good pronunciation, please can ask Siri how to pronounce things.
Siri!
Me a go me yard.
Oh,
Later.
me
Me
nah
thank
Siri.
God you get better
Yeah,
still.
me
I
nah
just check me did go and check up on you if you stay alright. There?
Okay. Merry Christmas.
Alright, no more rum for you.
Be there.
Yes, me now go business with you.
Be there. Be there. Be there. Be there.
Allah you tell. Who? How chubby rum? Who take it? Who's a take it rum? Alright, yo, I come that side there now. No tell nobody say me a forward. You hear? No tell nobody say me a forward. Somebody go feel it. Alright, burn it down. Yeah man, glory be to the Most High, give thanks to life, burn it down to the ground. We still there do it, is it? Yeah man. From when we do that show, yeah, we just release it. Yeah man. So you know the movie goes, it's a rum movie. Yeah man, big up the brethren for Negril. Bambas. Yeah man, from Whitehall man. I'm say who make it rum. You know what I mean? So it's a creative youth when it comes to them slang there. Yeah man. So we there go and hold it off still. So you just see the movie a while ago. The movie have that question in night a lot. You know what I mean? So the movie go on site after a while. You know what I mean? Because if you know the history of rum, you don't know say it come from the slaves. The slave them. You know, it come from for the plantation. Who no know. Yeah man, I do so man. So they are go and put in some work as usual, do and go and do it. You know what I mean? Yeah man, so we have some development but we are looking to now, you know what I mean? So me I try what is the word? I don't remember the word. But acquire, would that be the night? Yeah, me I try acquire a big camera shortly. You know what I mean? Cause we have to start push out 1 and 2 big movie differently. We're not going to see it on YouTube, but you go see it though, cause you go out in the world. Because when things are depending now go appropriate. You know what I mean? Depends on the subject matter. But we have to grow after a while. You know what I mean? So we know after a while. Yeah man, so we there go and put in the work as usual though. You know what I mean? We get a late start from one day. You know what I mean? So back and back, 2 movies. So tomorrow, our next movie they on the channel. So check out back tomorrow again, said we. You know what I mean? All the work man, we do it. Yeah man, tell a friend man. Yeah man. So big up all of the sponsors them from that time. We need some new sponsor now. From one way I say it, I get a 1 and 2 call, but I don't see the money dropping yet because we have some things to do. We write about 5 movies and the movie they want sponsor upon them. You know what I mean? Because I want to change the location, I want to go like different places. So with contribution, that's what we pay for like hotel and them, etc. You know what I mean? So it have to do some of the time because we're doing low budget. You know what I mean? And no budget. You know what I mean? But anyway, we there go and put in some work. It's the summer. You know what I mean? So if we get good donation, we can carry in some new character from different places because most of them don't have no finance. Back it up. So any local team we can add up it together, make them feel comfortable. We can say, alright, don't come in, this, that. But without that, we can't take in no new people yet. You know what I mean? So that still. So we're not worried about that. But the summer we're there and we have some show for the summer. CM Speed right up already. But make us see what going on now. Yeah man. Empress G, big up yourself, body down to the ground. You know what I mean? All of the people them over world there. You know what I mean? Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? You know we go anti-bev. You know what I mean? They're trying to push us over the edge. But we are survive. You know what I mean? We survive it. So anyway, who for name I call, you know say I one love for one and all. Same way. Because a long list of name from that time till this time. Big up on yourself. You know what I mean? Axtiel. You know what I mean? Franco. Tatsan Franco. You know what I mean? Damian. You know what I mean? Antoinette. Annette. You know what I mean? Jules. You know what I mean? There's a lot of lists from that time till this time. You know what I mean? Alias a Sky. Big up yourself, CM Speed. You know what I mean? It's a journey, you know. So we are doing it for a while now. So we're soon graduate though. It's a learning process. You know what I mean? And it takes time. and take what you take and go do it though. You know what I mean? So with that yard now, you see sun a shine with a good day today, so a shooting day today. You know what I mean? But me have to post this a show and then arrange a next show. So I don't know, easy work. Some people see it and think it's easy. It's not easy. But you have to do it. To believe me. Let's go.